What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Limitless Prince. You're welcome to Moonlight Trends, Ghana's #1 on Light TV. Yes, as the title suggests, Guru Kwame Eugene. I know you are here to know the details about this issue. You are in the right place. Just give me some minutes. Let me drive you through this. Yes. Now, Guru, there's a saying that if you throw a ball against the wall, it will surely come back to you. Now, somewhere last year in September, Guru came publicly and attacked Richie. That is Kwame Eugene's manager. That is boss. Links CEO, the CEO of Links. That is the record label in which Kwame Eugene is right now. Guru came out and accused Richie, Obuo, and Ochame Kwame that they have been sabotaging his music career. For the past 10 years, they have been sabotaging his music career, both in the two directions, that is in music area, and then when it comes to the music itself, and then the investments as a whole. Anytime they try to make something good, they try to turn it, or they go against him and make the thing not succeed, something like that. You the same person who came out and said this. Where you can go, make a direct go pigeon small. Where you can go, Kwame Eugene, they say you want collaboration. Don't forget that. No, you know this issue. Kwame Eugene is very right in some aspects. Why am I saying this? Because Links is like a family. Where Kwame Eugene is a member of the family. Where the head of the family be Richie. Where you go now, you go insult Richie, say he sabotaged your music career. Where now they come inside the family, say you don't want one of the family member to collaborate on your song. It doesn't make any sense. So if Eugene go do the song, it means it disrespect in boss. You see that thing? You where you insult in boss, you now can say Kwame Eugene, make you want to collaborate with Kwame Eugene. Kwame Eugene say nah. You know that enough happen because see you insult my boss. Now you can't come my day say you want make a do song give you. The same person way help me my name come away you Guru, you see me no. Like tell my this father man, you don't know me, but Richie go scout me come. Now he make me Kwame Eugene. Now you see me now, you say, I qualify say make I do song plus you. Where you did insult my boss. I think if you me cry, I not go do now. I not go do. This one don't make any sense. Kwame Eugene be right. You understand? You come the family inside say you want to make the member of the family do song give you. Where you can go insult the family head. This one who the music family you do in music it pass to the family head before it come out. So come in say nah, I know if you do that thing. You know if you disrespect my boss, insult them for public, then come say make a collaborate with you. No, I know if you do that. That one there, no concern, no. Kwame Eugene do that. What is supposed to do? But one thing where Kwame Eugene do when no good be say, young artists. What you go Adum TV, go sit for TV top say, you know go do the song. Why will you disrespect my boss and expect a collaboration from me? Oh, come on. You don't have to go on TV and be saying something like this. It's like the guy is begging you for a collaboration or a hit song or something. Because now, you know, say these days, Charlie, any song he drops on Charlie, any song he hops on, man. It be hits. It be hits. You call when Charlie, the guy be star. Charlie, no doubt about that one. It be true. The guy be star. It be hits mega. But don't forget say. Guru too, those days, man. Those days, the guy was a hit maker, back to back. Master, the time when Guru they do Akaida then friends say Ekma, La Paz Toyota and things. Master, now you dey choir, you dey for Dama choir, like you dey choir. Nobody even know say they call you Kwame Eugene self. You dey choir inside. So like that thing no okay, you say no go do that, but keep quiet, man. Why if you come TV talk and sit there say say no that be too disrespectful, man. You see, you know cool, man. You know cool. So that aspect there come try. So you go put for the thing you go sit there talk that where Guru too is see the guy that no enter the thing he see the video no Charlie. you know if you contain the pain, the thing bash am, a shame. And so Baba until the car say, oh boy. In fact, no kind of what after I see me can come on, Charlie. I for read the thing give you guys. So he come write from for in Twitter page say just to give me a minute I read it. The thing be emotional, where some get sense inside, where is me advice, where is me punchline, Charlie be mixture. So make another read the thing give you. I don't want any misquoting via I beg. Yes. So he said, oh, I admire you. He said, I admire your hard work and how well you have come. I am already in my 13th year in this industry, and I've been able to give back to back hits. Oh, that one may be true, yeah. I made sure I had not less than 4 hit songs every year, and in 2014 I gave 10 mega hits in one calendar year. I don't know how old you were at that time though. The industry is in difficult times, which we need to join hands to change or continue with the mistakes our predecessors made. Remember, some people started with me, but they could not last long. So I appreciate how far God has brought me. I know that you will not be under Links forever, but remember not to have any issue with Links Entertainment before you leave, because those that exited couldn't maintain the hype. It be true, that one they be true. Those who started, no. Wait later on they can't left Links, no. I know I mention names. Those people where they Links, where they come out, no. They come out take like my career is dead or is not dead or it go in coma. I don't know. Something like that. It be true. I know that you will not be under Links Entertainment forever, but remember not to have any issue with Links Entertainment before you leave, because those that exited couldn't maintain the hype. There are always new lords. So remember, nothing lasts forever. Ow. Nothing lasts forever. 10 years ago, when you're looking for the stars, the musicians that produce hits, and you don't mention Guru. In fact, the La Paz Toyota alone, man, the La Paz Toyota alone, for me is right now. Guru go stage where he play that song, and the people will go jam to the song, eh? But it be hit too. Till now, people still feel the song. So I'm matching the day auto. Sasa. That Lumba and who I'm matching the day and go. Boy, them play my songs right now. People see the jam to them. People see they like my songs. But where are they? They are not in the system anymore. So Eugene, you know if you beat Eugene for the next, I know we God for the next 10 years, 20 years, who knows? Your songs might still be there, but maybe you might be. There might be another new Lord that will appear from a new community that will come from nowhere. You understand? This is what Guru is trying to. This is the point Guru is trying to send across, and I support that point. You cannot. Nothing lasts forever, man. Hey, who knew that La Paz Toyota will pass away? Who knew that? Guru the one amo. We say make sure say you no get any problem with them, because you get problem with them, man. Those who don't get problem with them, they don't come out to know how the thing they. You get problem with Links. People that talk, check like Links. It be some. You leave the labeler, then your career go make beans. Point of correction: I never begged for a collaboration. I didn't ask for collaboration because I wanted a hit song. I have a lot of hit songs, and I'm proud of that. I wanted you to know I appreciate your craft. That's why I wanted us to work together and not more. So this is what Guru posted on his Twitter account, and right now he's trending because of this. It's emotional and it's full of advice, point lines, and this is a crazy advice. It's a very serious advice. Yeah, and I think Kwame Eugene should reconsider. Basically, I said that Kwame Eugene be star. He be asset to protect. But that the guy got some kind of pride and guy, you know. Oh my goodness. Me, I like his songs, but I get a guy. That's all. So that's what Guru is saying. So we are following to see whether Kwame Uji will reply to what Guru has come out to say. We don't know yet. Let's see whether he will come out to reply. Immediately he replies, we are coming back to give you the update. Man, that is what we do. You know what I'm saying? So don't forget to subscribe. If you are new here, subscribe to this channel and share it to all other social media platforms. And God bless you for sharing. Peace.